Afternoon, second grade. I am here to tell you about your language arts assignments for the day. So first you're going to want to go on Power School and you will see your to-do list for the whole day. So the first one is going to be to watch this instructional video to tell you about your assignments for the day and to kind of run an overview of what you should be doing today. Next, you're going to want to listen to the whole story, Fancy Party Gowns. We started this story yesterday in school. We only read about half of it, and we talked a lot about cause and effect. So if you remember, the cause is why, and the effect is what happened because of the cause. So we played that Jeopardy game, and an example of cause and effect would be, I studied so hard for my math test, so I got an A, or something like that. So the cause being that they studied so hard for their math test, and the effect being they got an A. Because they studied so hard for their math test, they then got an A. The A is the outcome of studying really hard for their math test. So just keep that in mind today while you listen to the remainder of this fancy party gown story and do your activities. So the first thing you're going to want to do is listen to this whole story from beginning to end. And then there is a game linked right here. It's called the Ice Cream Cause and Effect game. So if you click on that, this is going to pop up. As soon as it loads, I'll tell you what you will do with this game. So you'll want to click that you are playing with it on a tablet. I am on my laptop currently, so I'm going to click laptop. And it says you're going to put the correct scoop on the ice cream cone. So it says a police car chased it. Let's think. A truck ran a red light. The cat hissed loudly. Seth blew too much air into the bubble. I didn't brush my teeth. So this is the effect. This is what happened because one of these happened. So this would be the cause. This is going to be the effect. So a police car chased it. Did a police car chase the cat that hissed loudly? Did the police car chase Seth, who blew too much air into the bubble? Did the police car do something because you forgot to brush your teeth? Or because the truck ran a red light? More than likely, it's because the truck ran a red light. So I'm going to click on this scoop and bring it right on top of this ice cream cone. And it should tell you if you get one wrong or correct. So you'll want to do that for a little bit and practice cause and effect before you move on to your activity for the day. So the next thing you're going to want to do is head to Seesaw to complete the cause and effect activity. So it's going to pop up. We made a chart yesterday on our whiteboard about cause and effect based on what happened in the story. Okay. To cause and effect fancy party gowns, and your screen will look something like this. So I have listed 3 different causes, and I need you to list the effect from the story. So I have listed Anne had a big special order, and the effect was, so what happened because Anne had a big special order? So you'll want to read all of these and then list the effect. Use the typing tool on Seesaw to complete this activity. Then we have a spelling activity for the day, which is going to be spiral write your spelling words in the Seesaw activity. And don't forget the words are in your planner. So this is what it's going to look like. So for example, like is not one of our words, but I just gave you an example. You put L in the middle, I, K, E, and then you want to write them in a spiral-like shape like you see here. So there are 2 pages, so you should be able to fit all of your spelling words onto these 2 pages. And then if you have time today, we don't have library, like I said yesterday, and I mentioned this morning on our Zoom. So if you have time today, go ahead and complete the 20 minutes of reading that I asked you to do. That will kind of go hand in hand with your language arts assignments for the day. So you can go ahead and get started on that once you're done with this video.